Welcome to the CoCloud tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use CHCCNAV RS10 data to automatically generate colored point clouds and 3D mesh models on CoCloud. First, in your workspace or project, click New Dataset. Enter a dataset name, then choose LiDAR Raw Data, and select RS Series device. Upload the zip file exported from RS10, which must contain the complete raw data. The system will automatically check the files and prompt you if anything is missing. Next, set the coordinate system. If you're unsure, select Default Coordinate System, and the system will match one automatically. If you don't need geographic coordinates, such as indoor scenarios, select Relative Coordinate System. For geographic coordinates, choose Projected Coordinate System. The system loads your last used settings and also supports search and history. In Advanced Settings, you can select regional presets, upload a CRD file, or fully customize parameters such as ellipsoid, projection type, and central meridian. Parameter transformations and grid file imports are also supported. Then, configure the outputs. You can select point cloud, OSGB model, and OBJ model. Note that 3D Mesh OSGB and 3D Mesh OBJ are premium features. The page will display the estimated token consumption. RS10 processing is billed by recording time about 5 credits per capture minute of data. Once everything is set, keep auto-processing after upload enabled, and click Start Processing to submit the task. You can track the upload progress in the top right corner. Important: do not close or refresh the page during upload, or the process will be interrupted. After upload, CoCloud will automatically begin processing. In the task details, you can monitor the current status. Once processing is complete, you can view the generated colored point clouds and 3D mesh models in the dataset. The results support preview, annotation, measurement, and export for further use. You can quickly complete the entire workflow from RS10 data capture to 3D deliverables all online.